On March 31st, 2024, deputies responded to a report of underage drinking on a beach in Bay County, Florida, and asked an 18-year-old a simple question: "How old are you?" She couldn't get the math to add up, and that single moment ends up being the most expensive few seconds of her night. If you've ever watched someone panic their way into a worse situation than the one they started in, take a second and hit the like button before we get into it. It genuinely helps this channel keep telling these stories.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
When's your birthday? Hold on. When's my birthday? Yeah. It's January 27th, 2000.
And you're 21?
Yes.
So your birthday's January 7th of 2000.
Recording. 27th of 2000.
27th. January 27th of 2000 and you're 21?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask this again. Your birthday is January 27th of 2000.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, what? I'm going to ask you one more time.
I'm 22, actually.
Oh, you're 22 now.
22.
Okay.
Just so you know, lying about
22.
your birthday to the cops is a felony.
I'm 22.
Okay, making sure. You just making sure you know that.
And your birthday's when again?
January 27th,
January 27th of
2000.
2000. And you're 22.
22.
Okay. And what's your name?
Olivia.
Olivia what?
Remar.
Olivia what?
Remar.
All right, he's got to check all this.
What's your birthday again?
January 27th, 2000.
Where are you from? Georgia. Where's your ID out of?
Georgia.
Okay. Well, all right. We'll try one more time.
So right now, we're gonna put cuffs on you. You're detained because you're lying about your age. You're you're lying about your birthday or your name or something. That's first and foremost. So we're gonna add that charge to the charge of alcohol on the beach and probably, if I had to guess, you know, I'm not gonna guess.
Let me try one more time.
Okay, just make sure.
What's your first name again?
Olivia.
Okay, spell it for me.
Olivia.
Okay. What's your middle name?
Grace.
Grace. What's your last name?
Remar.
Spell it again for me.
No, get back here. You don't get to go over there. You're being detained at this point in time.
I wasn't going over there.
You weren't going over there?
All right. Come on, put your hands behind your back for me. Stop moving your hands.
Relax, honey. I'm just trying to calm her. You're going to go. I'm just trying to go away. Get away.
Just walk away from her, okay? Why don't you talk to her?
I'm just trying to calm her.
Okay.
Go away.
I did not start running. I did not start running.
You said.
I did not start running.
That's my friend. You
Ma'am, get away.
Who are you here? I'm trying to figure out. We will figure out. I did not start running.
She did not start running.
I did not start running.
It's all on camera, so she did start running, so we put her in handcuffs.
That's our problem, not yours. All right.
Why am I getting arrested?
All right. Turn
You're
around.
arrested because you lied about your age.
We don't know. We can't figure out who you are. You lied about your age. You lied about who you were. We've asked you time and time again. Not only that, but you're drunk. You're drunk in public.
I'm not
You
drunk.
have alcohol on the beach. Once we can figure
have
out
alcohol on the beach.
Once we can figure out who you are,
You're leaning on me.
you can't even stand up straight.
I
need you to
stand
go.
up straight. I can stand up straight.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You're under arrest at this point in time. All right? We're going to start with resisting without
I'm not
violence. Excuse me.
resisting.
I'll talk to you
I'm
in just
not
1 second. Give me 1
We're
second.
first going to start with resisting without violence, alcohol
Who are
on the
you to her?
beach,
I don't have alcohol on the beach.
Just hold on 1
public,
second. I'll explain
public
things to you.
intoxication.
I'm not public intoxicated.
We'll explain it to you. Hold on.
You're not public intoxicated,
No, I'm not.
so you haven't been drinking?
No.
I'm not asking that. All right. Let me call a cage car because we got to figure out who she is.
Cab purposes are black female 1015.
So are you ready to tell us who you are?
Hold on.
I am Olivia.
I'm going to
Okay.
explain it to you.
And keep going. When's
do
your
you want?
birthday? When's your birthday?
01-2000.
Oh.
01-27-2000.
I wasn't going to. Is your ID out of Georgia?
Yes.
You want to run her to the dispatch, maybe?
Sorry, I'm just trying to ask questions.
Hold.
So, You are 18, honey, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we just want to know from here. We're not the people she's staying with, but we're friends with the people.
This is what we're going to do. You're going to back up off our scene, okay? We're taking care of this. If y'all just back up and let us get what we're doing, we will come talk to y'all. Go. Okay, back up. We don't need any help. We got this.
Is your birthday in 2000? Are you 22?
No.
You're not. How old are you?
18.
Okay. She told me she's 18.
Bam.
Okay, so listen.
So, no, she's going across.
I
She's
know.
going across.
If you would have just told us that in the first place, you wouldn't be in handcuffs and you'd be able to go with a parent. Okay? But you lied to us. You can't lie to the cops, okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Look. It's an extra charge on top of what you got. Okay? And you can't run from the cops. You know that, right?
I know.
Okay.
All right. I'll walk her up, and you can deal with. So we're doing resisting without. Just in case. Technically, she's an adult, so unless they're staying in her room or whatnot, you owe no explanation to anybody. But just so you know, resisting without.
Drinking under the age, possession of alcohol underage, possession of alcohol on the beach.
I'm not drunk.
And then
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Like one drink.
Okay.
We'll take these, and then we'll finish talking to her up there.
Okay.
Either I can walk with her and ride your four-wheeler, because we don't need both four-wheelers down here. So you want to walk, and then I will follow on the four-wheeler, and then you can come back, and I'll take her up.
Okay, yeah.
What do I do about my parents?
We'll help you get in contact with your parents.
My parents are in Florida.
Watch out, you're spilling stuff.
we'll deal with that in a second. We'll deal with that in a second.
I don't care about you.
Okay, listen.
What do I do about my parents?
We'll get you in contact with your parents.
Go and start walking.
All right, we're gonna walk this way, okay? The closest exit or the earliest exit? Okay.
This is dumb.
Walk that way for me, okay?
I can f***ing walk.
Okay. If you just would have told us the truth in the beginning, you wouldn't be in this situation.
I'm 18. Can you not let me go?
No, walk this way.
Keep going that way.
Can you check?
I'm f***ing fine.
Can you check those eggs?
Are y'all hunting eggs? What are we doing here? What are the eggs for?
What's in them?
Yeah.
What's in the eggs?
They right there.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just with all the kids out here, we got to make sure there's nothing bad inside of them. You know what I mean? Okay. Y'all are good. Y'all are good, man. Look, y'all are good.
Olivia, keep walking, please.
All right. If you just would have told us the correct age in the first place, you'd be okay. I know you're a little drunk,
No, I
but
wouldn't. No,
yes, you
I
would have.
wouldn't.
We would have let you go. You wouldn't be
No,
going to
you
jail right
wouldn't
now.
have.
We would have.
No, you wouldn't have.
Promise you, we would have. You would have been walking home free right now if you wouldn't have lied to us.
What's it? And run.
And then run.
I did not run. I promise I did not run.
Okay.
I'm not planning on running. I don't know why you're grabbing my arm.
Just watch out.
I don't know my friend's numbers.
Okay, look, calm down. Okay. Hey.
I don't know my friend's numbers.
Okay.
Put her in the bag.
Alright, watch out, open the door. Alright, have a seat back there for me. Those are my cuffs on her, Harmon, whenever you get a chance.
But if her parents are on the way here and are about to come talk to you,
I'll talk.
can she stay here? Because her parents are about to come talk to you.
She's going across. I'll talk to you in a minute. Hang out right there for me, okay? So, what are y'all to her?
We're her friends.
She's staying with, okay. Y'all have phones, right? Obviously.
Yes.
I'm gonna go.
Here, I got it.
Y'all want to write down whoever's number on this pad.
All right.
Is that her phone?
Let me write mine.
Is the red one her phone?
Yes.
I'll give it to her.
Here, let me write
She can
mine.
take it with her to the jail. That way she can get numbers out and stuff.
Yeah,
And then she
like
can
I
call from there. But I'll also give her that just because she's intoxicated.
Hey,
So it might be a little difficult for her. I don't know.
Could I ask what her charges are?
Yeah, let me go get this to her real quick and I'll come right back.
Okay.
Alright, so explain what happened, okay? Obviously she had alcohol on her. Officer caught with alcohol. Alcohol is not allowed on the beach in the month of March. It's the last day, but it still counts as the month of March.
Yes, sir.
Obviously she's intoxicated. We kept asking her birthday.
Yes,
She
sir.
lied to us about it multiple
Yes, sir.
times.
Yes, sir.
And you can't lie to the cops about your birthday.
Yes, sir.
Then whenever I went to go place her in handcuffs,
She tried to run.
she tried to run. She took off a little bit. Whether she's intoxicated. I mean, so.
Modest stumble.
Huh?
Here, just keep talking.
Yeah. She ran. We got her. Whatever. I feel bad that she had to eat the sand a little bit.
It's okay.
It's just the only thing we can do.
It's her fault. It's okay.
So her charges are resisting without violence for the running. Okay. That's just a misdemeanor. She's also gonna be charged with minor possession of alcohol. Okay. She's also gonna be charged with possession of alcohol on the beach. Okay. And I believe that's it. I think that's the only 3 charges she's getting.
Okay.
They're all misdemeanors.
Yes,
Do you have an idea of like how much her bail will be and like how much?
She'll, what's it, Sunday? She'll go to first appearance at 2:30 in the afternoon tomorrow.
It's Sunday. She can't get out today.
Okay.
Yeah. So well, she wouldn't get out today anyways because first appearance
Yes,
isn't until the next day. She'll.
Move y'all out the road.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry.
So she'll go to first appearance 2:30 in the afternoon.
At 2:30, right?
2:30 p.m. She'll go for the charges, talk to the judge. The judge will decide if she's going to get a bond or if he's just going to release her on her own recognizance. I mean, since she's intoxicated, there's a chance that he might. The most she's going to get is a bond. So it's based off each charge. So you can get a bondsman. If you're going to get a bondsman for her, for whatever, if she doesn't get let out by herself, you have to get a bondsman from where you're from, where she's from.
Wait, so Georgia. So we have to get a bondsman from Georgia.
Yeah. So because bondsmen only deal with people that are in their city limits, because if she doesn't pay, they know where to go get her. If she just would told us the right age in the first place, she'd have been good. It all came down to the head because I ran her twice and neither time did she come back.
No, I understand. She shouldn't lie. She shouldn't try to run. I
Do
understand.
you know her real birthday by chance? Because she's still not telling us.
It's January 27th, 2005.
2005? Okay.
Yes,
She
sir.
may have told him, but let me check.
I have. It's either 5 or 6.
2006. She's 18.
Yeah, she just turned 18. She just 2006.
Okay, 2006?
Yeah.
27, 2006.
Yeah.
Yes. Whatever makes her 18 this year, I'm not good with it.
I think it's
2006.
yeah,
January
it should be 6. Yeah, 6. It's
Okay,
6.
alright.
I have one more question. Is there any way I can talk to her at all? Just really quick.
Yeah, I can, let me talk to her.
Just because I know she's scared.
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
she's scared, and I just want to obviously have
Yeah, she's scared. I try to help calm her down. Obviously,
No,
I
it's
can't calm
okay.
her
You
down.
can
I mean, can we talk to her, all 3 of us?
Let me talk to them, make sure it's okay, but I don't see the reason you couldn't.
Okay, sir.
Who is the other people that are down there? Is that them right there coming up?
That's the parents. That's my mom and my dad. She's staying with me.
Okay.
And those are my parents right there. Okay.
No, if she hadn't lied about her age,
She
she
hadn't lied
would
about
have been
her
okay.
You don't run from the police.
You don't run about it and you don't lie.
So what warranted her? So
Yeah, what did she do?
Your female officer, right? She came over and was standing by us and stuff. And I
So-
saw her watching like a group of people. What
Yeah.
warranted her being the one that she picked out of the group?
I don't know that. I wasn't over there. I can have her come explain. Huh?
We would like to know what she
Can I talk to her?
you
How-
cannot.
how-
She needs to plead the fifth and shut her mouth.
I can.
Fifth only works in court, bud.
Well,
No,
yeah, I know.
It happens when you're in
The
custody.
only reason I didn't read her Miranda because we're not asking her any incriminating questions.
Yeah.
All we asked her for was her correct birthday, which she
Yeah,
gave
she
us.
just needs to shut
I just
up.
wanted to know because like she was standing by us and there was a very tremendous smell of marijuana going around.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
it,
yeah.
it
So-
targeted a
No.
teenage girl that everybody's out here.
So
drinking.
the only thing with the marijuana is we can smell it, but if we don't see them with the marijuana smoking it or whatever, we can't do anything about it.
That makes sense.
She shouldn't have ran. I
But
mean, this is a lesson.
also you got her with the pineapple willy cup, which I'm sure thousands of people out
Okay,
there have.
I don't know what happened when they were down there.
She ran.
Either way, even if she got her the pineapple lily cup and she's underage drinking,
Yeah.
she then got walking. It's all because she lied.
If
That's
she
all.
didn't run, she'd been
She
That's
didn't
fine.
win a lie and win a ran. She'd been right.
That's
You
not
don't
her lying.
run
It's not
from
us.
the
It's on her.
Can you please take me to jail if you're taking me anywhere? Can I call somebody or are you taking me to jail? Hey, can you answer me?
I'm not.
I'm here rebar. I'm 28. Or I'm 18. That's what I meant. I'm 18. 2006 is my birthday. 01/27/2006.
I thought he was her.
My dad.
He's already been contacted.
Speak to him.
No, ma'am, you cannot.
Why not?
Because you are, right now, you are back there and you are under arrest and you cannot talk to him.
I'm under arrest, so can I speak to who I want to speak to?
No, you cannot.
But I'm under arrest, so which means I get a phone call.
No, not at this point in time.
When do I?
After you get booked into jail.
So f***ing take me, bitch! Take me!
That's not how this works.
Take me, bitch! You have no one else in your car. You can f***ing take me. You're just a fucking ass bitch who won't take me. You can f***ing take me. Or, oh my god, if you want someone else
Where's
to
his at?
fucking pick
Oh, here it is.
someone else up.
If If you do that, I'm gonna tie your feet up. You will not like that. You're not gonna kick our windows. Okay, it does not matter. I'm telling you right now, you kick the windows again and your feet will be tied down.
Please let me talk to my dad.
Do you hear me? If you kick the window again, you will be tied down.
Let me talk to my dad.
No, I won't. That's not how this works. Because I said no.
Did you talk to I don't give a what you said.
You're not making a phone call right now. I am doing paperwork. And the longer that you sit there and do the things that you're doing, it's causing me to stop doing what I'm doing.
Slow. Don't blame it on
Yes, I'm very slow. You're right. I'm slow. You're right.
Slow, bitch.
That's fine. I'm gonna get her out. Get her in my cuffs.
Okay, we'll get her out.
All right. No, I mean, I'll get Marshall.
All right, step out. Olivia.
Step out, we're gonna get you out.
Step out, Olivia. Step out, Olivia. Okay, there you go.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, let go.
That's not how this works. All right, you want to go on and put your cuffs on her?
Do I not have any rights? Any rights? No.
Take mine off of her.
Yep. You bitch. You lied about basically everything.
Move your thumb so I can. There you go.
They're open, bitch. They're open. I'm about to comply to some dumb cop who doesn't know what the f you're talking to.
Stop.
I'm stopping. I'm going to wherever the fuck you want me to.
Yeah, well, I didn't tell you to move, did I?
You still acting up, man. God damn.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man.
I haven't done
You adding to it. What are you doing?
Hold on. Are you good?
Yeah.
you.
Hey,
By the
stop.
way. I hope you f***ing die.
All right. Do you want another charge?
No.
Then stop.
What'd she say? Did she say she hopes I die?
Yep.
That's, okay. You just added a charge because I warned you already there, so you just added another charge.
I hope
Be an adult.
I hope I die.
You hope you die.
I do.
Okay. Now she's making threats of self-harm, so you can add that to her no-no sheet.
Okay, perfect.
She says she hopes she dies, so.
You can do whatever you want. I just want to talk to my dad after you're done.
I can't let you use my phones.
I know you have to call first, but they've been on the phone with my dad and they haven't let me talk to them yet.
Okay, hold on. Been with her for this?
For a little bit, yeah.
Okay, she's saying that y'all called her dad?
No, some other parent called her dad, not us.
Okay.
I told her she could call when she get to the jail. He asked.
That's what I told her.
When she get to the jail, you can call. Did you get the paper? It was a paper that Benny should have given you, because that's her phone too.
Okay. Because you were 18 years old, you were legally an adult in the state of Florida, okay? So, when you get to the Bay County Jail, they're going to let you have your phone to access phone numbers from it, okay? Then you can take those numbers, and when you are booked in, they will allow you to call a parent.
Can I call my parent now?
You cannot.
Because my parent's right here?
You cannot.
Why?
It's just our policy. I'm sorry.
But I didn't do anything.
This is between, I am just the transport officer, okay? This is between you and her. This is her charges. I'm not fully aware of everything going on here. I'm just here to help her.
Open the damn door. Will you let them fucking please? They can unlock me. They can unlock me in jail. Please let me fucking go. Otherwise you're just putting me out.
Olivia, I have explained to you, these are not my charges, this is not my arrest. I'm your transport officer. You are not getting out of this car until you get to the Bay County Jail. That's the end of the discussion. Huh?
Let me go to the Bay County Jail.
We will be.
Yeah, so please, let's go.
As soon as I get the paperwork.
Let me fucking talk to my family! Am I not allowed to talk to my family? Because she told me I wasn't allowed to.
You're 18 years old. You're responsible for the actions that you make.
Yeah, so I'm responsible for talking to my family, right?
When you get to the Bay County Jail.
So fucking take me, bitch!
Yep.
Fucking take me, bitch!
Oh.
I don't want her to be out this car.
No, I don't either.
Go on, put your feet up. Put your feet up.
My feet are up.
Come around here.
What do you want? Why are you... I am fine.
See, so you're not going to kick our windows. That's a no-no.
I never kicked your windows.
But you're kicking.
I'm not kicking. I never
Oh, we need to turn her around to hook it?
I never.
Where do you want to hook it up? I'll move it
Just
back.
put it to the paint.
Kicked. I never kicked. I never kicked. So go ahead and. I never f***ing kicked. Please take me to f***ing jail. Because I never kicked. What do you need? I'll do whatever you need.
Okay, move back.
I'll do whatever you need because I never f***ing kicked.
All right,
I never kicked. Go ahead. Because I never f***ing kicked, and this will get sued against you.
I'll get sued, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Anything I can do to help.
You're welcome. That hurts, and I didn't do shit.
The fact that she could hear you kicking from out there tells us everything.
Oh, the fact that I never...
Did you get out of the toka strap?
If you're talking about the ones that were on my feet, it just slipped off. I didn't pull.
Okay.
If it's the ones that were on my feet, I did not try to take them off.
No, I don't know how you got out of them though, because I put them on pretty tight.
They slipped off.
Okay.
So you didn't do a good job then.
Appreciate that. Had you been compliant, you wouldn't have gone in one, so.
I mean, I didn't really try to, so.
Quit it.
When is it my turn to get booked?
When they have the guys that are already arrested in there from Panama City booked in. I can't have a female in there with a male. Okay? So you're going to have to wait. What is your problem?
What?
I can hear you screaming.
What? You can?
Yeah, I can.
No way.
Cut it out. Or you're going to have a lot more problems in here.
They can't charge more stuff for me for not doing.
They're still law enforcement. If you don't comply with them, you can get more charges.
I'll comply with them. I haven't not complied.
That's why you got charged with resisting without violence, because you weren't complying.
I did not comply.
Okay. Stop.
I have to change my tampon soon, please.
Okay, well, you're going to get in there in a minute. Stop kicking the car.
I was just letting you know. I have no
Okay,
way
well,
to kick
you're about to
another
get
one.
out. You don't need to kick my car.
Thank you. I'm about to bleed everywhere, so.
She tells the deputy she's 21, then gives a birth date of January 27th, 2000, which, in March of 2024, makes her 24, not 21. When the deputy points out the math doesn't work, she doesn't correct the date. She corrects the age instead, landing on 22, which still doesn't match the same birth year she just gave. It isn't a lie built to hold up. It's a lie built in real time, under pressure, and it falls apart faster than she can build it. That distinction matters because providing false identifying information to a law enforcement officer isn't a small thing in Florida. Deputies can detain someone specifically because they can't verify who they are, separate from whatever the original violation was. Up to that point, this is a beach citation for a drink she shouldn't have had. The moment she can't produce a version of her own age that survives basic arithmetic, it becomes something else entirely. A case about identity, not alcohol. It's worth understanding what deputies actually have to do once someone's identity doesn't check out, because it isn't a formality. They ran the name and birth date she gave them through dispatch, twice, specifically to try to confirm who she was before deciding what to do next. Both times, nothing came back that matched. That's not the deputies being difficult. That's the direct, practical cost of the story she gave them. Every version of it sends them looking for someone who doesn't exist, while the actual clock on the stop keeps running. When deputies move to detain her, she takes a few steps away, and depending on whose account you believe, that's either an attempt to walk off or the start of a resisting charge. She insists, more than half a dozen times over the next several minutes, that she never ran. The deputy on scene says otherwise and points out it's on camera. Whether it reads as a full sprint or a few uncooperative steps, the charge that follows, resisting without violence, exists because of what happens in that exact window, not because of the alcohol that started the stop. She also insists she isn't drunk while visibly leaning on the deputy for balance and struggling to stand up straight on her own. Nobody needs a field sobriety exercise to read that moment. It's the kind of denial that doesn't actually convince anyone in the conversation. It just adds one more thing she's on record contradicting once the paperwork gets written. What stands out watching this next to her friends is how differently they handle the same situation. One of them steps up, gives her actual age without hesitation, explains the living arrangement clearly, and even asks a completely reasonable question about why she specifically got pulled from a larger group when there was a smell of marijuana in the air around plenty of other people. The deputy gives her a straightforward, non-defensive answer, Smell alone isn't enough to act on without seeing it. It's a brief exchange, but it says something. The 18-year-old in handcuffs isn't struggling because the situation is confusing. The people standing a few feet away handle the exact same conversation without a single charge between them. There's a small legal detail buried in that same exchange that explains a lot about how the rest of the night goes. A deputy tells the friend directly that since Olivia is legally an adult, the friend group doesn't owe anyone an explanation for her behavior. Turning 18 in Florida means being treated as fully responsible for your own choices in exactly this kind of moment. Nobody is calling her parents on scene the way they would for a minor, and nobody needs a guardian's permission to move forward with charges. The friends understand that distinction instinctively, which is part of why they stay calm. Olivia, repeatedly, does not seem to. At multiple points, the deputy tells her directly what would have happened if she'd just given her real information from the start. No handcuffs, release to a parent, done for the night. That's not a threat or a scare tactic. It's a fairly ordinary description of how most underage drinking stops on that beach probably end. The arrest isn't really about the drink in her hand. It's about the fact that nobody could confirm who she was for the better part of 10 minutes. And every attempt she made to fix that only added a new detail that didn't line up with the last one. The situation keeps building once she's in the back of a patrol vehicle. She kicks at the windows, is warned that continuing will get her feet restrained, kicks again, and then denies kicking at all, while the deputy outside notes he could hear it clearly from where he was standing. In the middle of that exchange, she tells the deputy she hopes he dies. It's the kind of statement officers are trained to take seriously regardless of the context it's said in, and it gets documented here as exactly that, not brushed off as just an angry thing someone says while in handcuffs. That's not really a judgment call departments leave up to individual discretion. Whether a statement like that is said in genuine distress or in frustration, the safer assumption is always to log it and treat it as real, because getting that wrong in the other direction carries a cost nobody's willing to risk. By the time she's out of the vehicle again, what started as a single resisting charge from the initial stop has effectively doubled, because the non-compliance in the transport vehicle counts as its own separate incident. None of this required a new decision from law enforcement. It required a second version of the exact same choice she'd already made once: argue, deny, escalate, instead of just waiting quietly for processing like the rest of her night depended on it, which, at that point, it did. Through most of this, the deputies stay noticeably even. She curses at them, threatens to sue, tells one she hopes he dies, and kicks the inside of a patrol vehicle, and the responses back stay close to the same flat, procedural tone the whole way through. At one point, a transport deputy, who wasn't involved in the original stop at all, tells her plainly that her charges aren't his decision to explain or undo, that he's only there to get her safely to the jail. It's a small moment, but it answers a question a lot of viewers probably have watching this. Why won't anyone just let her make her case to whoever's driving? The answer is that the person driving genuinely doesn't have that authority, and pretending otherwise would only give her false hope about changing an outcome that was decided somewhere else already. To their credit, the deputies also explain the actual booking process to her more than once, clearly and without condescension, when she'll see a judge, how bond decisions typically work, when she'll be allowed to make a phone call. None of that information changes because she's upset or because she keeps asking. It's the same answer delivered patiently every time, which is worth noticing next to how much of her own account keeps changing. There's a version of this stop that ends in under 5 minutes with a citation and a ride home. Nothing about the underlying violation required handcuffs, a transport vehicle, or a booking sheet. What actually produces all three is a chain of individually small decisions, made one after another under pressure, each one closing off the easier outcome that was still available a moment earlier. It's not a pattern unique to this beach or this deputy. It's just unusually easy to see here, because almost every step of it happens on camera in order. According to the case information provided with the footage, she was ultimately booked on 2 counts of resisting an officer without violence, 1 count of disorderly conduct, and a charge tied to underage possession of alcohol. Deputies described these as misdemeanor charges during the stop itself. As with any arrest, this reflects the charges filed rather than a conviction, and what happens with the case afterward isn't part of what's shown here. None of the charges that end her night started with the drink in her hand. They started with a birth year that didn't add up, built on top of each other one denial at a time, until a beach citation turned into a multi-charge booking sheet before she'd even reached the jail. The most avoidable part of the whole video isn't the drinking. It's everything that happened in the 10 minutes after, when telling the truth once would have ended it.